All right, are you ready? Whenever you're ready, let her go. Whoa, that was a little shove there. A little cheating shove. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let her go. All right. Back wheels touch, you can go a little bit forward. There you go. You ready? And we're just gonna let it go when you're ready. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. All right, are we ready with this one? Pretty simple design. Sometimes simple is the best. Ooh. Hit some obstacles. You ladies ready? Yep. It's gonna be amazing. Awesomely fantastic. All right, let's try it. It's going, it's going. Oh, it hit that. All right, we have a pretty nice looking one right here. Are you ready? Go for it. Oh, it's got a good line. You can go back. You ready? Move forward a little bit. You're backwards. Go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. That's too bad. Do you have a name for this?
No, not at all.
Yeah, I'm trying to put it over here farther.
The wheel carrier?
I know, but it's gonna hit that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Are you ready, sir?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be amazing?
Hopefully.
All right, let's see it. Ooh, made it past. Are you ready? All right, let's see it. Still rolling. Let's see if it made it. Is it passed? Yeah. Oh yeah. We have a new leader. Okay, let's see if this one can beat that last group's distance. Oh, I don't think it has enough. There's the winner.